Hello everybody, Bin90 here, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to relive some old memories by enabling your modern day PC to run Doom. And you can do so by coming to this website, GZDoom.org. I cannot speak tonight, I'm sorry. And you could just go to downloads and go down to download and download the GZDoom port according to the window, accordingly to your platform. I'm using Windows 64-bit. And there should be downloading. I already had one downloaded, so. But when it's done downloading, open it up, go to GZDoom, and right next to it, it says application to the right, and click on it. And it will prompt you to extract all the files to a specific location. And keep that location right here, the C drive, in the downloads folder. So click extract. I have the same files, but whatever. I downloaded it earlier. But there you go. And the thing is that this is pretty awesome. And all you have to do is drag and drop. I will show you. All you have to do is obtain a WAD somewhere. Right here. Obtain the WAD. Drag and drop. Put it over the GZDoom application. It will prompt you with this. More info. Run away. Okay. And the ultimate Doom. Yes. Okay, and you're here, right? And then you press enter, new game. Episode of your choice. I will choose something different. Shores of Hell. Hurt me plenty. Ooh, sorry about the exposure, guys. Yeah, baby. There's a shotgun. Okay. Gotta go back here to see if there's a shotgun. I could have sworn there was an item back there, or a soldier back there, or something with an item. But, what are you gonna do? Is there someone behind me? No. Oh boy. Some health here. Get a blue key card, and I will go to a teleporter. Don't mess with me, man. Give me the shotgun. Oh crap, a little rusty. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is pretty awesome to play classic games on your modern day PC. All you have to do is download the port. And I will leave a link in the description below for both the port, GZDoom, and a link to the WAD. So yeah, enjoy.